Hey guys, my name is Alex and today we're doing some light painting on my Honda Civic. So the rundown of light painting basically is I'm going to set this camera up at a 5-second exposure at 200 ISO and f-stop 11, and I'm going to wait until it's nighttime and put it at an awesome angle in my car interior. Basically the reason why we want at a 5-second exposure is because I'm going to use my phone as a light source to illuminate different parts of my car, which are the seats, the steering wheel, the dash, and take at least 20 to 60 photos and combine all of those in a layer into one awesome photo combining all the lights and shadows. I learned this process by another creator named Mo. He's an awesome car photographer on YouTube, and I'll link his channel in the description below, including the video I learned this from. I want to bring you guys along the process and learn from my mistakes of actually doing the light painting. I've actually done this before, 3 separate times on the same car. The first time, it was okay, it wasn't too bad, but the third time was the awesome one, and it looked good to me. I actually have it as my desktop background, and I really liked it, so I'd like to continue my work on the Civic. The only problem though about this is that the only recording devices I have are this camera and this phone, and I'm using the camera as the actual camera to take the pictures and this phone as my light source. So I'll try to get you guys into the whole process of me doing it, but it's gonna be pretty hard. I'll try. And also, my car is a complete mess right now, so I'm going to show you what I use to clean my car interiors. And yeah, let's get to it, guys. Yeah, it's pretty messy, as you can tell. I haven't cleaned this thing in a very, very long time. And that includes the seats too, because this thing is disgusting as hell. Alright guys, so what I use basically to clean the car is some Meguiar's, let's see if I can find it, Meguiar's Natural Shine and Protect It. It's actually really good, because I don't like that glossy, greasy kind of look. Well, what's cool about Meguiar's is not greasy, but the fact being is that they have a glossy version of this, and I'm not a fan of it. I like the whole natural, kind of clean, but it's not too shiny look, and I usually go to the Harbor Freight or something like that and grab some really cheap, free microfiber cloths. So I'm going to clean it now, and then after that I'm going to do some nice shots, so let's get to it. Oh yeah, by the way, I forgot, I'm actually going to use this too to clean the seats because it's very hairy. So, yeah. Alright, as you can tell, those are really terrible shots of the car, so in a minute when I'm actually starting on doing the shots, like the light painting, you'll see the difference. But for now, I'm going to wait until it gets a little darker, then I'm going to start on it. So like I said, I'll try to get some footage of me actually doing light painting, but we'll see what happens. So let's find out. Alright, so we got some actual footage of me actually light painting, so let's jump into it. Alright guys, so I was editing the light painting photos and I was about 40 photos in, and then I realized there was a discrepancy. So I took about 85 photos in general, just me going over every single part of the car, making sure I didn't leave anything out, and 40 photos in I noticed that there's a couple of things that didn't line up properly. Yeah. So what that means, basically, I'm gonna go reshoot it again tonight, and hopefully this will work out. The problem though was because of my tripod, it's really loose on top, so the minute any wind hits it, there's a creak on the floor or anything, it'll move the camera slightly to the left or right. So hopefully I'll find a fix for that. I got an idea and I'll try to fix it, but yeah guys, let's do it one more time and let's get into it. So I ended up finding out the problem, and it ended up being this thing was super loose. Like, you gotta tighten this little like grip here, so now I can actually like turn it and it won't be completely like wobbling way too hard. So hopefully I don't have that problem again. Like, I can even tighten this down. It won't even move like much. Anyways, I gotta tighten this down. And then look at that. Whole thing moves now. Fixed. No more problems. Alright guys, so I had a lot of fun with this project, but I want to give you guys a rundown of what I did on Photoshop. So out of the 52 photos, I've actually only used maybe around like 40-ish, give or take. The reason why I took so many, because it's better to have more than less, because the worst feeling ever is knowing the fact that you could have taken another photo of a certain particular part of the car and you didn't, and now you have this big old dark spot on your seat or something. It's best to be thorough. But if you guys want to learn how to do this, it's super easy. Don't be intimidated by so many photos I'm taking. I can actually do another video from start to finish on how to do this process step by step. If you guys are interested, just leave a comment down below and I'll be down to do it for you guys, because I'm super down to do one on my Subaru. But yeah, if you guys liked what you saw, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.